possible to recover content that's in an archived course and move it to a current course. To do this, first go to Archives by clicking Courses and My Courses. Click on Archived. Then locate the course you wish to recover. Click on that section name. This will take you to the archived version of the course. Notice the banner at the top. Here you can recover either an individual item or the entire course. If you wish to recover an individual item, like this folder, I can click on the gear and simply copy it to my new course. Normally I will want to recover the entire course, so I will click on Options and Save Course to Resources. You can choose a collection or folder. I'll just save it to Home and Submit. This saves the course to the Resources section in Schoology. Here you can find your course in your Resources section. Since I saved it to Home, mine will be at the end of the list. Here I can confirm that my course is on the list. Then I will go to my new course, click Add Materials, and Import from Resources. Here I will locate the course on my list in Archives. I will click into it, select the top checkbox to select everything. If there are pieces you don't want, simply uncheck those, then click Import. Again, confirm and import. This will bring all your course content into your course. And now your course is restored. Simply go through, check all the settings on your quizzes and assignments, re-import your course logo, and you are ready to begin your new term.